Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to register MTN Mobile Money online. The first thing you need to do is to open any web browser of your choice. Afterwards, you go to the address bar and then type MTN customer online request.com.mtn.com.gh. Yes, so I'll keep the link in the description. MTN customer online request.mtn.com.gh. So that is the platform you are going to use to register MTN Mobile Money online. So this is the page, or this is the platform that we are going to use. So over here, all that you need to do is to come here and then type your phone number. So let me type my phone number here. Okay, so let me request the OTP. Okay, they've sent a code to my number, so I need to verify. Okay, so the code has come here, 892331. Let me verify here. Okay, so now I have verified. So these are their services. They have the eSIM request, they have the mobile money registration form, they have the SIM swap request form, they have the Momo reactivation or claim form, they have the Momo profile enhancement form, they have the SIM registration update form, they have the terminated number reactivation request form, they have the mobile money pin request reset form, they have the change of ownership form, they have the agent or merchant mobile money pin reset form, and then they have the agent stroke merchant SIM swap request form. Okay, so like I told you earlier, in this video we are going to register MTN Mobile Money online. So all that we need to do here is to come to the second option, which says mobile money registration form. So let us click on that. So now we need to key in with our particulars. So our first name, let me say Razak, or let me say Get. Okay, then my surname Techie, then my number 02444444. I'm just doing something to represent something here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So your date of birth. Okay, so let me say 0101 1980. Okay, now my gender, am I a male or a female? I have to select that one here. So let me say I am a male. Okay, my source of funds, you need to state the source of your funds. So let me say worker. Your residential address. Okay, your residential address, you need to put a residential address here. However, if you don't have a residential address, or if you don't have it offhand, you can choose to use a landmark where you are staying, what is close to it. So let's take it for instance, I am staying close to, let's say, Amstead Kumasi campus. So Kumasi campus. Okay, then my digital address, that one too very important here. Then I come to my nationality. Am I a Ghanaian? Who am I? So I'm a Ghanaian, so I need to key in here. Please specify country of origin if non-Ghanaian. Okay, so no country. Work permit, you need to choose in between yes and then no. Your expiring date of work permit, you need to choose over here as well. Okay, then over here you need to upload picture of work permit. Yes, that is only if you have. Then here you need to type your ID type and number. So your ID type, is it Ghana card? If it is Ghana card, you choose Ghana card. ID expiry date, you have to come and then select it over here. Then we have upload your Ghana card. That is the front page. So all that you need to do here is to click on the plus sign here, and then you upload the front page of your Ghana card. Then you scroll down. Over here we have the customer's email address. Okay, so you have to type your email address over here. Then alternative number for video validation. Okay, so now over here too, you need to type your alternative phone number, a phone number that they can reach out to you on. Then you have the upload Ghana card, the back of your Ghana card, you need to upload it as well. So all that you need to do is to click on the plus sign here, and then you choose or you select the front the back page or the back of your Ghana card. Yes, then here upload photo holding Ghana card to chest. Okay, so you need to hold your Ghana card placed almost at your chest, and then you take a picture of yourself and then upload it. So if you've already taken the picture of such, all that you need to do is to come to the plus sign here and then follow prompt. Then your next of kin's name, okay, so all that you need to do here is to type who is going to succeed you in case you aren't anymore, in case you are dead or something. Okay, so over here too, you need to type your next of kin's phone number. Okay, so you just type it here, and then after you are done with all of these, everything here, after you are done with all of this, all that you need to do here is to scroll down here and then click on submit request. Yes, as you can see, I left most of the spaces, not filled. Yes, so before I can proceed or before I can submit this request, I need to ensure that I have key in with my particulars. I need to ensure that I have left no space untyped, or I have left no space without typing anything over there. Yes, so this is the simple way to create or to register MTN Mobile Money online without necessarily having to go to an MTN office or probably a merchant to get your MTN Mobile Money registered. Yes, so it's very simple. Yes, it's very simple. All that you need to do is to make sure that you key in with your appropriate particulars. Yes, so after you are done, you just click on the submit request and then you are done. Yes, so like I told you, I'll keep the link to this platform in the description. So all that you need to do is to go through the description and then you are going to see the link over there. If today happens to be the very first time you are watching any of our videos, you know what to do. Make sure that you do subscribe to this channel. After you are done subscribing, don't hesitate to hit on the notification bell icon so that henceforth, anytime we upload a new content, you would get notified that Get a Key has uploaded a new content. If you have anything to say, or if you have anything, be it a comment, a suggestion, or anything, make sure that you leave it in the comment section. Yes, sharing this video is going to go a long way in motivating and then inspiring us to produce a lot of content. Until then, I say I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Until then, I say bye bye.